What is good, vlog? We are back. It's been a while since we made a video and whatnot. To start with another video again with John's famous pulled pork recipe.
It's the pulled pork, man.
He's got his own secret spice, you guys.
Oh,
like
that's top secret.
we ain't giving that away. So give us a walkthrough and a tutorial, John, of what your famous pulled pork consists of.
All right. Well, first you trim the fat because I don't like a lot of fat on my pulled pork. That's what I'm doing right now. And then once that's done, you rub it with mustard. This is how I keep the rub to stick onto the pork.
Oh, like the binding.
Yep, exactly. And then ideally, once you put the rub on the pork, you want it to sit overnight to make it stick fully, get the flavor down. But today we're gonna kind of rush it. We're just gonna put it in the smoker tonight. So, because we have a party to go to tomorrow and this is what I'm bringing. And then also, if you do let it sit overnight, and you open it back up the next day, you put the same rub on it. So you kind of like double layer it, and then you put it in the smoker, and then
You gotta do that again.
It's delicious, dude. It's delicious. The trick is to keep the smoker at 225, cook the pork until 210. Boom, that bone's gonna come out, and you're gonna pull it so easy. It's gonna be so tender. It's gonna be it's magic. It's delicious.
I've had it so many times, you guys. It is so good. It is so good.
Dude,
I told myself I'm not gonna overeat every time he cooks it, and I end up just keep eating it non-stop.
One more bite.
Yeah, literally one more bite, one more plate. Ends up getting like 10 more plates. Not bite, plates.
Can't stop eating it.
Look at that meat. Like, look at the color of that meat. Let me get you guys a close-up of this rub.
They could probably figure it out from looking.
Nah, look at this. There's spices in there.
Look at that mixture, bro.
You don't know if it's cayenne. You don't know if it's paprika.
Rubbing mustard.
Leia. Say hi, Leia. Hi, Leia. Right here, Leia. Right here. Oh, cutie. Hi. All right, this is what, step 2?
Step 2, gotta put the mustard on, man. I bought new mustard.
Just for this pulled pork?
Just for this. I had like 2 giant ones from Costco that I just tossed in the trash because they expired.
Guys, it's just Kroger brand right there.
Yeah, man.
No need to be fancy. If you know what you're doing with the seasoning.
It's all about that seasoning.
Yeah.
The thing with pork is the meat already tastes good, so you don't really have to do that much work.
Exactly. You let the smoker and the seasoning do the work.
Yeah. Smoker sponsored by Ellie Boy.
What?
The pellets.
Oh, now you pay for that, bruh?
Hickory pellets.
Oh yeah, look at this. Let me get close and personal to that.
Don't be scared.
You gotta beat the seasoning in there.
You gotta beat the meat.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Close up is crazy.
Dude, don't miss the spots, bro.
Look at that. That's what he means by crevices, right?
Yeah, look at that. That snuck up on me the first time. I'm like, there's a whole pocket up in there.
Last thing you want to do is give away one part of the pork where there's no flavor.
There's no seasoning. They'd be like, I don't like this part.
Yeah.
It's all gonna be pulled tomorrow, dude. This bone right here, you see this bone?
That's
gonna come off just like that.
Alright, John, you getting ready to put that rub on there?
Yeah, dude. Gotta make sure that mixture is homogeneous. So the seasoning is evenly, coating the pork.
Oh.
Yeah, it's covered with mustard,
Yeah.
Not a spot missed. All right, ready?
Oh man. Wait, you gotta do the Salt Bay real quick.
The Salt Bay real
quick for the video, man. Oh.
Does that mean I'm gonna get canceled?
No, that means it's going. That just means the seasoning's even.
Yeah, dude.
Cooking is an art and patience.
Yes.
Patience is important when you're smoking something.
That's why slow cooked foods are just the best tasting.
Yeah, like crock pot foods, everything.
Dude, it's like the laziest thing, but it's the best thing.
Exactly.
I'm about to just turn it on right now. Preheat it to 225. Alright, bye. Love you.
Placing the pellets inside the smoker. Got that pit boss. Not sponsored, but would like to be.
I'll fill this up. Hickory pellets.
Now let that heat up.
Yeah. I'm kind of cheating a little because I have an app. I don't have to maintain the temperature. So.
Hey, tastes good still.
You gotta use that dank technology, bro.
Heck yeah. People are like, oh, you got an old style.
Bro, they call me Chef Boyardee because I be cooking.
Oh boy. Alright, so we're just gonna wait for that to heat up, and then we'll see you guys in a bit. So here is the finished, seasoned, rubbed pulled pork, baby.
No spots missed, man.
So what you got here, John?
Some temperature prongs. I think that's what they're called.
The probes.
The probes. There you go. I couldn't think of the name. Also, I'm updating the grill currently, so that's what we're gonna use to control the temperature.
Can you guys believe that? You gotta update a grill now?
It's crazy, dude. It's crazy.
We're updating the grill, bro.
Important note when putting temperature probes, put it kind of away from the bone because the bone heats up faster than the meat. You want accurate reading, so you want it to be a little bit farther from the bone. So let's see, there's the bone right there. So I'm gonna put it like, there's the bone, right? I'm gonna put it right there. That's all meat. Yeah, right there is probably good. You don't want it too close to the edge either, but I think that's a good spot right there. Oh, look at that. Next one. Okay, I don't feel any bone there. So we're gonna put it. That's where we're gonna put it.
Boom. Shakalaka boom.
Shakalaka boom. Alright.
Just like that.
Just like that. And then we're just gonna wait for the grill to heat up to 225. And then we're gonna put these bad boys in there.
Cool. See you guys in a couple minutes. Alright, John, we'll be out. Look at this guy, bro.
Goddamn. Alright, dude. This guy's crazy.
Let's see what we got in here.
Gotta place it in that dank smoker.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright, let's go.
We gotta put in Lucy's Jello shots in there. Oh yeah. This is like $4 grand total. Alright, so
Alright, ready?
here it is, John. Let's go.
There's that smoker, bro. Alright, I'm gonna put it a little closer to the edge because it gets really hot back there and it tends to overcook the pork. And there's these little holes in the back here. You can shine that light for me, thank you, sir. That's where I put the meat probe through. We're gonna put it in one of these. Boom. Now you're gonna see the meat temp. Yeah, right there. 47 Fahrenheit, right there. Next meat.
Yeah, we're Americans. What's up?
Hell yeah, dude. Put the next one right next to this bad boy. Alright.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Same hole?
And right there, guys. Right there.
Yeah. Alright, now I'm
Can you tell me Cord manages his computer?
Now the temperature will drop a little, but it's not gonna affect the meat.
That's because we opened the smoker, guys. It's
There we go.
Very common sense.
Now we just wait. I'm gonna go set the temperature. Correction, you cook it to 205, not 210. I'm gonna go change the temperature on the app and then wake up tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
And so we're trying to troubleshoot stuff here. I went down pretty much. It's just that they use the oldest models. But one of the chargers is
I'm gonna blur that out.
one of the chargers is average.
Alright, Lucy, what were you making over here, Kaz?
The ceiling.
Boiling the exciting water.
Oh, she's making boiled water, bruh.
With some good
Actually-
Jello shots.
She's making some Jello shots, bro. Ooh. Oh
Here, I
yeah.
got the important stuff right here.
Yo, is that all for you?
Yeah, of course.
Damn. Yeah, she got the Jello right here. Oh, I can't remember. But yeah, look at all this Jello.
Oh, yeah. Switch the one that is working.
This is Cody's cookies.
And then it's our shower. So we're like,
Cody.
Now it's gonna tell you.
This is cookies.
oh, where are you? That's me.
You guys get the joke? Well, I ate the joke. What? Slay the jerk.
Send us a picture. You want to see it. And,
Hi, John. How long has it been since we put that in there?
Overnight, bro. Overnight. Let's see, what time do we sleep? 1? It's hard to like do. What's the temperature? Oh, this one's, well, it was at 190. This is 209. We're gonna try both temperatures because I've seen both. I'm gonna pull it out right now. Put it in this cooler for an hour to let it rest. And then, I did flip it this morning. And then, yeah. Oh, bro.
bro. Woo-wee.
I'm gonna pull out these prongs here. Yeah, so you just pull it out like that. Looks like
Oh yeah, that's how you know it's tender now.
it's gonna be tough. Oh shit, that's hot. All right, pull it out. I'm gonna dump it in there. It's pretty hot, by the way. Should probably get something that she grabbed.
Yup.
All right.
Stick that baby out. Yeah, baby.
All right, we're gonna set a timer for an hour. Probably gonna get breakfast, so we'll be out a little bit longer. So it shouldn't matter too much. And then we're gonna pull it.
Alright. You gotta see how it's pulled later, right?
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
got them claws, you know, the Wolverine claws.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Let's go. All right,
Alright, Johnny boy, what you got now?
dude, it's done resting.
It's been resting for what, almost
Look at
2
that.
hours?
Look at that condensation, bruh.
Was that almost 2 hours of rest time?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, let's see that pull for. Come on, come on.
Pull it up. All right, ready? I don't think
Ooh, I
it's.
can smell it.
Is it
Let's
hot?
go.
It,
Oh, but because it's 5 minutes of food. Oh my, look at the color of that. Oh,
Oh.
you guys see how tender that is?
smoke ring.
Oh my, wait, I didn't focus it. Oh, you gotta get a bigger piece than that.
Huh? That's good, bro.
Let's see it, let's see it.
You want to taste?
Yeah. Oh, wait, let me get a close up of that full. Oh my lord.
It's hot. I can't grab it. All right, here.
This camera now. Alright, here we go, you guys. We are gonna taste this
Smoke
pulled
taste?
pork. Look at this. Oh, okay, you guys see this? Look at this. Look how easy that is.
Oh, dude, you look at that. It just ripped off.
This is pulled pork. Look at that.
Man, look at that focus. Yeah, bro. That's good.
Smokiness, seasoning on point.
Look at that.
Oh my. Look at that.
Oh, leave it. Leia trying to lick the pulled pork juice.
So both of these have 2 different temperatures, right? One is 10 degrees more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Same. Like if I can just press down on it, barely pressing down, very tender,
I'm gonna go wash my hands again.
clean. That's how you know. Oh my, look at that pull.
Clean bone. It's red, pink. This off. Nope.
That just cleanly came off.
Yep. About to toss this in the garbage. Leia, you want a bone?
No, she can't have that.
I have to take some time pulling this though. I'm not even using a fork. I have 2 of these meat claws.
Then look at Lucy's Jello shots, man.
Fun.
Look at the colors.
Dude, we about to get hammered on these, bruh.
We got orange ones too in the fridge.
Oh, orange. Orange one, guys.
Oh, not that fridge. That.
Oh, that fridge. All right, we're gonna
Let's
check
go
out
check
the-
out the orange one, bro.
What's the orange one?
Dang, there's a hybrid.
Watch this.
Oh my
And let's deal.
Dude, the orange ones. We're just
Yelling!
Literally yelling.
Oh, you don't see the pulled pork finish, man?
Alright, here we go. Light it up. Ooh, we got a little bit
Oh.
of this thing.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Hey, don't eat it. Don't be sneaking in bites, bruh.
Alright. We got Cody here playing the new COD. Look at those graphics, bro. It's Halloween party time!
The bottom of the orange one you gave me earlier was
Let me see Deadpool.
not
over here. Look at Deadpool.
done.
Like right here.
Damn.
It was like almost gritty. It wasn't like
And I'm the Pharaohs.
wasn't like powdery. Like it wasn't mixed all the way, but it was more textured.
Almost not that.
So I didn't know.
Well, that's not good.
There was still fine. It's big bad. It was just a weird texture at the bottom. It was the
Last second to do it. And follow a new recipe.
This is how we look before the party.
Yeah.
We're gonna see how we look like after the party.
Honestly, I think
Not like this. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the end of the video. I really hope you guys loved that video. Sadly, we weren't able to say our goodbyes from everybody. We did party a little bit too hard the day beforehand, so you know, we weren't able to, completely forgot about the camera in general, so we weren't able to do a big group goodbye to you guys for that weekend. Yeah, so don't party too hard, you guys. You gotta remember, keep it safe and keep it healthy. Make sure to subscribe, turn on that notification button if you want to, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed that.